how we spend it, cause I feel me money. Independent gal, real #1 trending gal. Now fi check when me spending gal. Have me one house.
It is like what? At 5 o'clock? No, or 4. I don't know. But we're at Elsha right now because we just want to get our feet wet. Here my aunt, and she's in my damn cover up. Won't stop, people can't see my foot. Yeah, but I'm here about to go to the beach and get my feet wet. I don't feel the vibes to like go in and do like a full swim because like I feel kind of sick and I'm really tired. But yeah, it's nice and cool. Man, to this one. Hi guys, I don't know if you guys can hear me because I have my phone in a case, but right now I'm at Dunn Falls at the entrance. I'm about to walk there and go. My hair is a mess, but I'm about to get wet, so it's gonna look good now. I've been coming to Jamaica for like ever since I was born, so like 20 years now. And this is my first time going to Jamaica. I'm 20 years old and I'm so happy. I'm going to water, make water just run down on me. So yeah, when I reach there and start the waterfalls, I'm gonna. You taking off your shorts? Why? Oh. Bobo, how happy are you? I mean, oh, you've been to Dunn before already. Yeah. It was spoiled? Not spoiled, I care.
I'm okay. I'm just missing my children.
Oh, you missed your kids then? Oh. Alright guys, I'm in Dunn River. No, I'm just here. What was it? 2-6 or 2-3 to one person, and we had a Jamaican ID, but everyone needed a Jamaican ID to pay the discounted rate, which is $1,000. And I got my shoes. Yes, it matched the tattoo. With it. Is this way to the falls? No. Are that way, yeah? Fee Falls? Are that way, Fee Falls? Everybody said me in trouble. The video they put me, not video nobody else. I don't want to get nobody in trouble. Is this way to the falls?
Yeah.
You're sure? Oh. Alright. Can you video me? Video me. But they had done but no, you can't do that. It's going on YouTube. You have to make it still soft. Oh guys, look at the falls. The wood. More on do that. More on slide. Look. Wood. Oh god, this looks so fun. I can't wait. Guys, the water's so cold, but it feels so good. I'm holding on to my bodyguard. cautious because we don't want to drop and hurt myself. Like really, I don't. We want to slide. That's not just video we know. Alright, who gonna go? Can Tree go one time?
We know we are finished.
Guys, this slide feels so good and the water is so nice. I hit my head on the rock because I just laid it back, but take a picture.
Hallelujah. Stand up.
Alright, we're at the seaside though. And it falls way over there, sir, and it runs in here. This is so gorgeous, I swear. The water so clear, people. Miss Kitty, this sir.
And I enjoyed my day.
Lovely. Did you try the zip line?
No, I wanted was to, but maybe next time.
Maybe next time. Well, all the better for you to come back. What would be your word of invitation? I mean, to the people in New York, because you have a whole bunch of Jamaicans who live in New York. They look forward to coming home. But every time they come to Jamaica, they go to the same places. They do the same things with the same people over and over and over again. So what would be your word based on your experience today as to why they should come to Dunn River Falls?
I would say they should come to Dunn River Falls because it's very exciting. You have a lot of activities, and since they implemented the kids water park, the kids are having fun too, so you have something for the entire family.
I like that. And to you and your family, Amelia, thank you so very much. And due to why you remember Dunn River good, I'm going to go and work and flash your bag, and flash your shirt, and flash your keyring in your friend and face. I got Dunn River, I got souvenirs. So I'm gifting you this lovely notepad so you can write down what you remember from Dunn River, your day. You know, a little journal. You have your little t-shirt.
Hey, every man say if I come along, go for your suntan in the summer sun. If you want bleach, go back home. Go for your umbrella, cause the sun above.
I'm everywhere.